ginawa niya rin to improve the traffic system. Alam mo yon, parang kahit yung mafe-feel mo sa EDSA pa lang na ba't hindi siya ganun ka-traffic. And yun, basically, like action versus activity. And like, he really focused on action.
I think no for for the 2016 elections, people clamor for change kasi minsan our politicians are looking busy, sabi nga ni Patrick, looking busy but not productive. So for instance, yung mga photo ops for relief goods
Mm.
distribution, were in fact these are coming from the national government, the DSWD. Pero ang gusto ng mga politicians, they want to post their pictures, their names. Even sa mga sardinas, makikita mo yung mga mukha nila, di ba? So,
Mm.
si Digong kasi, parang lagi niya sinasabi, don't thank me, these are funded by the people. So, he's giving back the credit where it's due. No? Tapos meron din siyang attitude na he's not giving a fuck of what others are thinking or saying.
Mm.
So, kung ano man yung tingin niyang makakabuti, gagawin niya. For instance, no, itong drug war, nitong nakaraan. So, he's paying the price of detention in ICC because of the alleged EJ case from the previous drug war. So, yun, actually, ang nakikita ko rin, he's biased for action, not only for words. Kaya meron ding napuntahan like yung simpleng traffic lang sa EDSA doing the bus lane. Dati hindi magawa 'yun eh. Ngayon nandiyan yung bus lane pero pinag-aaralan ulit natanggalin. So I'm not sure it's becoming unproductive and uh politics driven yung mga policies natin. Kaya ayun.
Mm.
Tingin ko, yun yung nagpapanalo kay Duterte last 2016.
Yeah. I agree also, no? Kasi remember Mama Sapano massacre? SAF 24?
Yeah.
44, 'di
Mm.
ba? There was that we saw how devastating that is to our country, and we saw the effects of weak leadership from the previous administration. If you recalled it, no, when there was a Senate or congressional hearing about it, when they asked, I think the president or those who are in charge, nagtuturoan sila. There's no one who's taking responsibility over what happened. Naalala ko si President Noynoy noon. She said, wala akong alam. Yun yung narinig ko lagi. I don't know, hindi ko alam. Wala akong alam. So we were thinking, we don't have the leader that we need in our country. Because during that time, hindi mo alam kung sino yung responsible for the operation. Marami nang namatay, walang gustong umako. And we saw leadership in President Duterte that he's always taking responsibility. You know, doesn't really take credit for a lot of things like yung when they donate goods to typhoon victims because sabi niya it is the money of the people. But when there's a problem in Davao or in during his presidency, he always says na ako ang may kasalanan. Ako, kung merong naging problema sa mga police ko or sa military or police operations, the buck stops with me. 'Di ba? He takes responsibility. Naalala niyo yung problema during the COVID? Naalala
Mhm.
niyo yung problema, we don't like the Secretary of Health. Para nainis na tayo sa Secretary of Health eh. Sabi niya, bakit ganun? Ang bagal, 'di ba? Ang daming anomalies. Ang sabi ni PRRD noon, medyo napaisip ako bakit di pa niya tinatanggal. Sabi niya, we cannot change horses in the middle of something. Sabi niya, the middle of crossing the river or war. Sabi ni PRRD, I am responsible for this. No, you need to trust me. So everything is his responsibility. Kaya I agree. Ang ganda ng mga sabi mo Patrick, action, no? Action rather than just being busy. Being productive kasi nangyari sa kay PRRD. There are a lot of things that were built. He focused on doing good than looking good. No, which is actually the opposite of what we're seeing right now. Kaya rin natin diniscuss ito kasi we're having a huge problem in leadership right now. Papalit-palit ang sinasabi. You cannot rely on their word.
I think, no, ang pinaka-problema dito, we are not talking about the real issues, and we have this distraction by giving Duterte sa ICC. So, all we talk about now is Duterte and The Hague and ICC. Pero yung totoong social issues or national issues, we're not even talking about it. Yung budget parang nakalimutan na rin. So, I think this is a big distraction sa incompetence ng government natin ngayon. I cannot name one achievement to date sa admin ni BBM.